Read&Write is a powerful literacy support tool designed to help students, especially ESL learners, struggling readers, and students with learning differences, better understand, engage with, and produce text. Key features. Text-to-speech reads any on-screen text aloud with word-by-word highlighting, improving reading fluency and comprehension. Picture dictionary displays images for selected words to support vocabulary development. Translation tool translates selected words or text into a student's native language. Talking and voice notes lets students record voice comments instead of typing. Highlighting tools color code important text and export highlights to a Google Doc. Simplify page removes distractions from web pages, displaying only the main text for easier reading. Word prediction offers suggestions while typing to support spelling and writing fluency. Check It provides grammar, spelling, and punctuation checks tailored for learners. Open Google Chrome on your computer or Chromebook. Visit the Chrome Web Store. In your address bar, type chrome.google.com/webstore. This is where you can find and install browser extensions. Search for Read&Write. In the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type Read&Write by Texthelp. Look for the extension with a purple puzzle piece icon and the developer listed as Texthelp. Click Add to Chrome. On the extension page, click the blue button that says Add to Chrome. A small window will pop up. Click Add Extension to confirm. Find the Read&Write toolbar. Open any Google Doc, web page, or editable text field. Click the purple puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser toolbar to activate Read&Write. Explore the features. Once the toolbar opens, you'll see a row of icons like a play button for text-to-speech, a dictionary, translation tools, highlighters, and more. Hover over each icon to see what it does, or click the question mark for quick tutorials. Please like and subscribe for more helpful and life-changing videos.